Hello, beautiful blockchain people. That's me again at CryptoSpine. This is my next cryptocurrency market overview. So let's start. Let's have a look at the prices of the major cryptocurrencies according to the site of CoinGecko. And as we see, the market has recorded a decent price increase for the last 24 hours. So definitely it seems that we're witnessing the renewal of the uptrend. Today I will analyze the price chart of Cardano because this week we started with Bitcoin, then on Tuesday I analyzed the price chart of Ethereum. Yesterday I analyzed the price chart of Binance Coin. Today let's analyze the price chart of Cardano. And next week we will continue with the cryptocurrencies that are outside of top 20, probably even we will start from top 30. But this week let's analyze Cardano, probably tomorrow XRP, Solana, and Polkadot till the end of the week. So the current price of Cardano is 218. Let's move on to the price chart of Cardano. So we will start, of course, from the monthly time frame, but let me initially remove all these unnecessary elements from the price chart. And actually we're ready. This is the price chart of ADA or Cardano. Here the current price is 217. So we're really very familiar with the price chart of Cardano in the different time frames, but as a short reminder, earlier this year the price experienced solid increase followed by some kind of consolidation, quite volatile, and then in August we had this additional solid price increase. So definitely that was a bullish signal. Now for the previous month or for the month of September, we have this bearish candlestick, although I would say, like in the other price charts of the other major cryptocurrencies, it brings a small neutral and a small bullish signal. Neutral because this is a bearish candlestick and it has a relatively big body. However, it is neutral because it is in the upper bound of the previous, let's say, bullish candlestick, and it has a small bullish signal because it still has a local high above the previous one and a local low significantly above the previous one. That's why I would say that the most likely scenario in the near future is either a consolidation or sideways movement. This is the neutral scenario. And the bullish one is a price increase, let's say, that will start slowly but steadily, and the bulls will try to attack this local high again. So this is in the monthly chart. Of course, I would like to mention that the current candlestick, and we're close to the middle of the month, has a very small body, and actually it has a very small upper shadow and lower shadow. So this is a signal that the price is consolidating, struggling to find some kind of direction. So I would like to say that probably the neutral scenario, because of this small current candlestick for the current month, is most likely. Now let's move on to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. This is the solid price increase that took place earlier this year. After that, we had some kind of correction here. The correction ended in the middle of the summer, let's say, and then the next wave, positive wave or bullish waves, started. At the top of this, let's say, price increase, we had this dodge followed by an interesting candlestick, in bearish one engulfing the body of the previous ones, with a local high below the previous ones and a local low significantly below the previous one. So that was a bearish signal. And then the price started to decline. And now we have a sequence of these spinning tops. So these are small candlestick, very small candlestick sticks with bodies in the middle of the price range with tall upper shadows or almost no, let's say, upper shadows. The same holds for the lower shadows, and they're moving sideways. So this sequence of spinning tops confirms the consolidation. It continues. Of course, sooner or later the price will exit this consolidation, but at the moment we're in this consolidation. So the sequence of these spinning tops is a clear signal that the price is consolidating. Interestingly, this consolidation is taking place at the level of this local high. So this is the local high. Let me change the color. So this is the local high from May. And it seems that the bearish pressure continues, But here at the level of the previous local high, the price is starting to receive support. So this is in the weekly chart. We have this bearish pressure, but the price is starting to receive significant support from the previous local high. Now let's move on to the daily chart. This is the daily chart. This is how it looks like. This is the current consolidation, and this is the range, let's say, of the previous local high. So definitely the bears, they have to overcome this support if the bearish pressure is to continue. But I would like to say that there is no clear signal that the bearish pressure will continue, because this is a solid, let's say, support for the price. But we have to wait and see. I would like to say that in the daily chart, we don't have a clear signal in which direction the price will exit this consolidation. That's why let's also add the two key moving averages, the 1 month moving average and the 3 month moving average, to check what they say about the price chart. So let me add these moving averages. So we need these two moving averages. The first one is for the period of 30 days or 1 month. And the second one is for the period of 90 days or 3 months. So these are the two key moving averages. It is obvious that the price is consolidating between these two moving averages. And the upper moving average, or the 30-day moving average, at the moment serves as, let's say, psychological resistance. The lower one, or the 3-month moving average, serves as a psychological support. So definitely the price will probably continue to move sideways, fighting with the resistance and receiving support from the lower moving average. But we see that we're between these two moving averages. So these two moving averages that are, let's say, even moving sideways probably at the moment, confirm the consolidation in the daily chart as well. So according to the two key moving averages, there is no clear direction in which there is no clear signal, I want to say, in which direction the price will continue its journey. Now let's move on to the 4-hour chart, but let me initially remove all these elements. So let me remove these elements from the chart. And now let's move on to the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour chart. Once again, this is the previous local high. Now the price is consolidating, so at this local high. So definitely, once again, I would like to sum up that in the other time frames, we have some, let's say, neutral signal indicating that probably in the near future this consolidation will continue, and we have to wait and see what happens to receive some clear signal. So far, I haven't seen any clear signal here. I would like to mention that we had a solid price increase. So let me change the color. After that, a correction started. So let's say this is the correction. Even probably we had something like a descending narrowing wedge, or probably a descending channel. The main idea is that this was, and actually this is a bullish flag. And now we know that this bullish flag is a common trend continuation pattern. So in 68 or 70% of the cases, or let's say the success rate is almost 70%, statistically, it means that in most cases the price exits this bullish flag in the upward direction and resumes the uptrend. Now we see that the price has exited the bullish flag, so it's obvious that the price is already outside of the flag. This is the breakout that took place recently. However, the price has not been able so far to resume the uptrend, and it is just moving sideways. That's why it's not clear that we will have a, let's say, successful renewal of the uptrend here, and we have to wait. And I would say that probably it's better to keep an eye on the key local highs inside this descending channel. So let's say this is one of the local highs. Let me change a little bit the style. This is the next one, And I would like to say that a bullish signal will appear, in my view, only if after this exit from the flag, the price enters the range between these two, let's say, local highs. So in this way, the price will surpass the last local high within the descending channel, and then the first, let's say, bullish signal will appear. I mean, a bullish signal confirming that probably this is the renewal of the uptrend. That's why I would, at the moment, prefer to stay away from the market, keep an eye on the price chart, and I would like to say that for now, in my view, the price is just consolidating in the 4-hour chart as well. So that's it for today, fellas, about the price chart of Vega. Please share your point of view as a comment below. Of course, I wish you a very wonderful day. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. It was me again at CryptoSpot.